Make sure you have clips and music uploaded. Split out the extra parts of clips synced with the high notes of the beat. As there is a deep cut between beats, I added a black stock image at this spot. Change the orientation of the video to 4:5 and clips to 16:9. Make sure to change the aspect ratio of all the clips after the black stock image to 4:5. In this part of lyrics the beats look alike, so I took the help from Auto Beat Generator feature in Filmora Mobile. Added fast beat. Here is the change. Now go to the beginning part and add black stock image here. Adjust over the screen. Apply round corner mask over this place. Expand and leave bit of margins. Apply this image till the black image as the main track begins. Enter two texts in the beginning. First font style is Biscotti. Second font style is Picasso. Adjust over the screen. Next text is also in Picasso font style. That's it, you are done. Subscribe for more.